What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Salem, Massachusetts, and we are going to do something we've never done before. We're going to go check out the Salem Pioneer Village right behind us. Let's go. Okay, now, just a warning, if you're coming here, you do have to pay to park, and what sucks is, even though it's only 50 cents an hour, they require you to get an app. So my wife is trying to download this stupid app. Yeah, I would definitely not sneak it. They're definitely out looking to snag people who have not paid. Obviously, the main attraction here is the Salem Pioneer Village, but I would also recommend walking around this park before you leave because they have a trail that kind of goes up through the hills and stuff. It's absolutely beautiful in the fall. As you can see, it is definitely going to be hopping today, but I'm so glad it's open. The last two times we were here, it was closed. I believe, from what I remember, it's like $6 a person. We're gonna see if it's worth it today. Now, if you can see this, it's open only on the weekends. That's why we've never been able to make it before, but $6 a person, open on the weekends, 12 to 4. Let's go inside. Now, for me personally, the biggest reason I wanted to come here is because the beginning shots of the famous movie Hocus Pocus were filmed right in here. We got, oh my God, we'll have so many scenes coming up, but Thackeray Binks' house and Elijah's house is right over there. We get a shot right about here is where the camera's set up, where Thackeray and Elijah come running down. Right here.
You wake my father, summon the elders, go!
So obviously this is, the purpose of this village is to make it look like we're in Salem. Typical pioneer village back in the 1600s, and they do such a good job. I'm so glad we're here today because the last two times we came on weekdays. The other time we were here, it was closed because of downed trees with a storm. So obviously you just saw the Hocus Pocus scene, but this is close up of the building that's in the background. All right, we're heading inside the house. Wow, it's so dark in here. Holy God. Oh, look at that. Here's an example of what a bed in here, a typical bed, used to look like. And I was just saying the fireplace is so large. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but my wife just made a good point. And they needed to be very large because this was your only source of heat. Coming up, these houses right here, these would have been the homes of Thackeray Binks and Elijah, and obviously Emily. I have to find out which one. Oh, I think it's this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one because the window's right there. Well, I had to go back and confirm, and I was wrong. This right here, of course it's blocked off. And I know they do this crap on purpose, but they do. This is the home of Thackeray Binks, right here, and then this to the left would have been the home of Elijah, and you get a shot somewhere back here of Thackeray coming out this house. He comes out the door right there and meeting Elijah, and they meet up, and he's like, "Elijah, have you seen my sister Emily?"
Emily! Elijah! Nice to see my sister Emily. Hey, but look.
Now, they did film, so the actor who played Thackeray would have been in here on the bed, and I don't know if it was this window or this window, but one of the windows we would have seen Sarah Jessica Parker as Sarah running past. I think it was this one, because if you think about it, you go in, the bed would probably be like lined up this way, and I think in the background, it's super quick shot, but I think in the background we could see this house. I think that's it. Finally, after 3 tries here, we finally made it to the home of Thackeray and Elijah. Now, if you want to see, I do have a full-blown Hocus Pocus filming location video. I'll put the links down below and at the end of the video, so make sure you go check those out. This is actually really cool how they have this set up. I don't know what this lady's doing, but it looks pretty cool. Taking photos. I didn't even notice this until right now. There's Binks. There's little Binks. Now we officially know that is the home of Elijah. They both come walking out in the front. As you can see, even though this building's blocked off for obvious reasons, it is a famous spot and everyone knows it to get their photos taken right in front. I want to go check out this section. What'd you call it? This is the gallows, right? That's what it's called? And they have these things set up here and people take photos like that. That's pretty funny. So you can have your fire here and roast your pig over the fire.
Yeah, put it down.
Looks like they have some more gardens over here. And this is right across from that larger house. Miss, I put in the wrong one. I was really trying to choke myself with that one. It's so hard to even look up. Wow. That's funny. I mean, it's not funny. It would suck to be like this for hours and days. Wow. That's a favorite. That was really hard to do. Okay, let's go check back this way because I didn't even know this was back here. It looks like, so if you wanted to bring a lunch or whatever, looks like they have some tables set up and this and that. Even have a basketball court. Let's see what's going on over this way. I'm guessing they do some types of shows or something over here since there's all the benches. Let's see what this is. It's probably here to show you what an outline of the house would look like. Let's take a peek inside. Wow, I know people were really small back then. Hit my head coming in on the door. This is cool though. What the fireplace would have been. I'm just heading off to work. All right, see you later. Another garden they have on display. Oh, we're already back at the entrance. That's right where we came in. All right, so here we are at the main entrance again. I want to go check out the interior of this house. Wow, it's so tiny. Oh, look at that. It's got the fireplace over here to the right. This looks like a baby rocker of some sort. Wow. I gotta say, I do love the wild trees and bushes when you're coming in. Well, if you stayed to this part of the video, I thank you, because now, before we leave, we want to go see the water area that's right pretty much in the same parking lot as the Pioneer Village. Look at this. Beautiful. It's very windy today. So I'm glad I invested in my noise cancellation microphone. So you probably only hear me, but here's the Salem Pioneer Village is straight ahead, and here is off the shore of Salem. Oh, you smell that salt water? It's crazy. Look at all the boats out there. And they just kind of sit and dock out in the open. Well, everyone, it's going to wrap it up for this video. If you are interested in more Salem content, make sure to check out any of these other videos. I would say this place, the Salem Pioneer Village, was cool. I'm glad it was only $6 because it's really not worth more than that. If you have younger kids, this is a great place to take them, but we're just, my wife and I, so probably could have did without, but I'm glad I got to show y'all what it's like if you're interested. So either way, I'll see you in one of those videos. Take care.